man. What's up guys, Streetman here. So today I'm gonna scoot to a car dealership. Because of all the recent activity on my channel, a lot of views, a lot of subscribers. I got a lot of money, man. So let's spend the money. Let's scoot to the car dealership, man.
Yeah.
If you scoot with spinners, put your lighters to the sky. How could I make sense when I got scooters on my mind? Coming with those scooters, I just put it to the side. Scooting since a baby, they could see it in my eye.
Fy fader, det var jävla digg.
So I just bet like $10,000 on a race with this dude. I'm gonna win. Run. Fuck man, fucking piece of shit. Fuck man.
You lost?
No man, I didn't lose, what the fuck? Get the camera! He was cheating. Oh, that was not the fucking homo scoot man.
Hey son, look at me.
I don't know if I like these cars, man.
What about these cars? Ah, they're pretty basic.
Yeah, no. Oh man, that's a pretty nice car though.
Which one? The black one?
This one. It's pretty nice. Yeah, wow, yeah. It's pretty cool. Oh my god, man.
What?
This car. I'm in love. I want this car, man. How many horsepower do you think it is?
I don't know, it doesn't look that strong.
What the fuck, man?
The blue one here is pretty cool too.
That's shit, bro.
It looks really shiny and stuff.
No, that looks pretty shit. Look at the rims, boy. Fuck, man.
Oh shit, that is pretty cool actually.
Yeah. Do you know what car I bought?
The blue one?
No, fuck that blue one. You may think I bought that one, right? No personality, man. I bought this shit, bro. I got a new car, man!
Did they all cost the same?
No, this was like 5 times more expensive. $1.5 million. Let's take a ride, man. Oh shit, man.
It doesn't look very clean though.
Shut the fuck up. Oh my god. I even got some sunglasses. Up, man. Oh my god. I got the Wonderbound.
The black one too, that's
Yeah,
the best
that's
one.
$1,000. And I got my own sat-nav.
So,
My own navigation system.
is that an iPod?
Shut the fuck up. Let's try the audio system, man. I even got the aux cord. What the fuck, man? I even got a subwoofer, man.
Oh my god.
I even got the automatic gear change. But I need to use my hands though, but it's automatic, man. Holy shit. Holy shit, man. It smells so good, man. Whoa, the horsepowers, man! See ya! I think I hit the wall. My car is invincible. See ya, man!
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Oh shit, man! Hey, what's up, StreetMan here? Hey, what's up guys? StreetMan here. So I'm driving my car. Skateboard!
Sondre kan kjøre.
Little do you know, but my car actually drives itself, man. Are you ready?
Yeah. Wow.
It's so fucking fast, man. You see? Electric windows? Whoa. Fuck yeah, boy. Look at the mirror. Look at the mirror. It's fucking moving. You see that?
Well, that's trippy as fuck.
Fuck. This shit is fucking rims! Some sick rims, man. You see, they're a little bit dirty, but It's just to wash them off, right? Here you can see I got my subwoofer. I got it when I bought the car. It's like included. I have an ashtray here too. Got speakers in the door. And here you can see I got my custom seats. They costed like $10,000 with the custom seats. I also got the custom like skin here. I bought it at ciscolotto.com. And I got this dope stereo. I got these flaps here. You see I got this custom thing here.
And what else did you get?
I got these keys.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. What is this? Oh shit, it's my weed. Holy shit, it's salt from McDonald's, man. Yeah, I got salt from McDonald's when I bought this new car, man.
Oh.
This is the V12 engine. On this car I got like, I got oil on my car.
That's good.
Yeah, it's pretty good oil. Let's take it for a ride, man.
Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast.
Yeah, boy! What the fuck is this, man? This isn't what I expected, man. This is like the highway. We're driving in 20 kilometers in an hour.
This is not the album either, these are just the throwaways. This is still so good when it drops, it's gonna be a motherfucking sound.
I don't know where I am. They're digging my new car. Now we can actually drive through and buy McDonald's.
How can I help you?
Yeah, I want one McFlurry non-stop and one McFlurry Oreo.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Get the ice cream in the next minute.
Thank you. She was shy though. I got ice cream, man. Oh yeah. It's so good, man. McDonald's ice cream is the best. Wow.